Before the bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Thursday. Shares in food, beverage and tobacco, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences and telecommunication services sectors losing momentum, while semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, automobiles and components and transportation gaining traction. On the economic front, initial jobless claims decreasing to 199,000 in the week ended January 19. Continuing claims declining to 1.713 million in the week ended January 12. U.S. manufacturing PMI increasing to 54.9 in a preliminary read, and services PMI slightly decreasing to 54.2. This all while advancers beating out decliners, 64% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Intel reporting fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.28 on revenue of $18.7 billion. Starbucks releasing first quarter adjusted EPS of 75 cents versus 65 cents a year ago on net revenue of $6.63 billion. While turning overseas, Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei up 0.97%, the Hang Seng up 1.65%. China CSI 300 up 0.81%, and South Korea's Kospi up 1.5%. European markets gaining ground, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Colgate-Palmolive fourth quarter EPS seen at 73 cents on sales of approximately $3.8 billion. D.R. Horton first quarter EPS seen at 78 cents on sales of approximately $3.5 billion. On the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the December durable goods excluding transportation read, as well as December new home sales figures. Now, in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside. The Nasdaq sees further upside as well, and that's in focus as the relative strength index advocates for further upside. Long positions above 66.94 are favored, with targets at 67.50 and 67.79 in extension, or the Dow Jones that sees further upside.